Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to continue our discussion on time value of money and in particular apply it to several concepts like amortization and then net present value, etc. So let's assume we're going to loan a house and lot, okay? And usually we have to check if you're going to loan, let's say a house and lot worth 5 million, normally you're not able to loan the whole amount. Let's assume that the equity that you have to draw out is 20%. So the loanable amount will only be, okay, the financeable amount is only equal to 5 million times 1 minus 20%. So you'll only be able to loan 4 million. Okay? 4 million. Okay. All right. Then we have to check the annual interest rate. If it's 15 years, okay, 15 years, we have to check. Where's that? 15 years, 7.75, okay? 7.75%. So let's put that here. 7.75%. Okay? And then we have to change this. The loan amount will only be, okay, 4 million. 4 million. Kasi the value of the house and lot is 5 million. However, you cannot loan the whole amount. You have to have an equity. Okay, let's suppose that the equity, I'm not sure how much is the equity now. Let's suppose it's 4 million. It's 20%. Okay. Oops, wala. 4 million. Okay, in case you don't have this, let me share it in the chat box. There. Okay, so that's the side class. 4 million, you're going to loan 5 million house and lot. You're not going to, you'll not be able to borrow the whole amount. You have to raise an equity. Let's say the equity now is 20%. So the loanable amount is only 4 million. And the repricing is, let's say, no, it's 15 years. Okay. And then the loan term is 15 years. Okay. All right. Then if we calculate this, okay, you can see here the amortization schedule. You're going to borrow 4 million, and this is what happens to your amortization. Okay, so this is month 15 times 12, that's 100, 15 times 12, 15 years times 12, 150 plus 24, okay, 174 months. Okay, 179, 15 times 12, ilan yun? 150 plus, 150 plus 30, 180, sorry. 180. Okay. So your assignment class, which will be considered as a quiz, will be to plot this, but it will not be a similar plot. It will be also a plot of the principal and the interest. Okay, principal and the interest plus this. So dapat tatlo yung makikita dito class. Sa And ang gagawin natin, yearly lang yung pagplot ng principal balance at saka interest. Okay? So this one class, ito yearly. So this is not actually a monthly to, no? Monthly next. So 180. 180, okay? 180 periods all in all, but 180 kasi 15 years times 12, that's 180. Monthly kasi yung sa ano, no? Monthly yung sa pag-ibig. Every month you have to pay. All right. So you'll have to replicate, we will replicate this class, no? Principal and interest, yung payment. Then dito kasi may insurance, no? So the borrower pays insurance. So consistent siya na 45, okay? And then monthly amortization 37 96. And then uh, what happens is that itong monthly amortization class 45 doon na pupunta sa insurance, and then the rest is for the principal and the interest. Okay, so let's replicate this. So let's now go to our Excel file. So we will have to change this a bit. Meron tayong insurance dito na 45 pesos, no? Dagdag natin dito yung insurance. Pwede dito. The insurance will be according to the Pag-ibig table, 45 pesos per month. Okay, and it's a fixed insurance payment. All right, let's go here, class. Loan principal, 5 million. Then you can only borrow 20%, less 20% ng value ng property. So 4 million lang yung pwede nating hiramin. And currently, if you're going to loan for 15 years, the rate is 7.75, no? Okay. So how many periods per year do we have, class? Sa isang loan with the Pag-ibig, how many periods per year? What's the answer to this one?
12 po, sir.
Yeah, 12, no? 12 kasi monthly di ba? So sa isang year, ang periods ng payment is 12 years. So question, given this, okay, this will be your loanable amount, okay, at an interest of 7.75% for 15 years. I'll give you a minute to compute for the how much will be the monthly amortization. Dapat pareho niyan dito, class. It should be the same. We should be getting 37,696.03. So this will be the amount that you're going to pay monthly for 15 years. Okay? So I want us to produce this 37,696.03. Okay, so what will be the function here? Okay, first, ano yung function na gagamitin natin? Would you know kung anong function na gagamitin natin? We learned FV, PV, diba last time? Rate and per PMT. Anong gagamitin natin doon? It's just one of those. What do you think?
Sir, is it PMT?
Yes, correct. PMT siya, no? So let's do it together, no? Is equal to PMT. Kasi PMT stands for, ito yung class yung annuity, di ba? Or amortization. Okay, so first, ano yung rate natin? Rate. The rate is 7.75%, but please take note that the period will be monthly. Ito. So dapat lahat ng mga values natin monthly para ang payment monthly, okay? Ang interest rate monthly, ang number of periods is also monthly. So ganun dapat yan, consistent dapat yan. So if the annual rate is 7.5%, that one, okay, siguro it will be good also to give this a name, no? Wala siyang name. So let's call it annual rate, annual, para we can use it, annual rate. Okay? So ito annual rate to, no? Tapos, number, okay, sorry. Dapat dito, number of years, no? NO years lang. Of course, you can name it any way you want. And then ito, periods, oops, mali. Let's call it periods, periods per, okay, PPY na lang, periods per year. Yan. PPY, periods per year. Ay, sorry. It should be here, class. Periods per year. Okay, so the others class, hindi naman natin kailangan kasi hindi naman siya ikakopy, no? Yung 4 million, first first month lang yon, no? Yung annual rate, yung number of years, at saka tong ano, uh, maybe let's put this here. Lagyan natin dito na insurance per month, no? Yung binigay ni Pag-ibig 45 pesos. That's included in our givens. Okay, 45 pesos, no? All right, then we can give this a name. Insurance. Okay. Or ano lang, month insure. Yun na lang. Month insure. Okay. All right. So let's compute for the monthly amortization, no? Is equal to PMT. The rate will be, sabi natin, kung monthly yung periods natin, kailangan monthly din lahat, no? So the annual rate interest, this one, take note, annual rate divided by the periods per year. Yan. Okay? So that will be our rate. Our NPER is, ano yung NPER natin? So ang NPER natin dapat ano din, dapat how many months? It will be the number of years multiplied by the periods per year. Okay? And then comma, PV. Ano yung PV natin? No? Our PV is this one. Diba? This is what we're going to borrow. Okay? Comma, no future value. Type, dapat ang type 0. No? End of the period, or you can just ignore that. Kasi annuity ordinary to. You borrow the loan, you borrow, and then after the first month, magbabayad ka na. Kaya hindi siya yung pagka hiram mo ng amount, magbabayad ka kagad. So this is annuity ordinary. Okay? Control Enter. So it's 37651.03. So is it the same as this one? 37696.03. Okay, anong difference? 651. So, dinagdagan ng insurance, no? Here. And then negative siya, di ba? What did we do last time? We said, what we can do is, put the negative sign here, no? Para maging positive siya. And then, we have to add may additional na monthly insurance per month. Monthly insure. Control Enter. 37693.03. Okay, so ito yun, no? 37696.03 exactly. Okay? So kindly chat in the chat box kung nakuha nyo to, no? So this is, it matches with the amortization table from Pag-ibig itself. So this is what we're going to pay every month. So I'll wait for your chat class if you're able to follow, unless you have questions, unless you want me to show the formula. Ipakita ko yung formula nito. So get, no, formula text. Okay, so these are formula. Baba ko lang to. I'll wait for your chat class if you're able to follow.
Hello, sir. Yung PP years period per year ba
Here,
yun, sir?
ito to, periods per year. Which one?
Ano ba?
Oh,
Yung
50
annual
year,
rate
oh,
divide period
periods
per
per
year po yun.
year. Yeah, ito yon.
Okay po,
Oo.
sir. Thank
Kaya
you, sir.
it's 15 times 12 kasi that's the number of months. This is actually 180, no?
Okay po, sir.
Okay. Sige, pag nakuha nyo na, class, paki-chat ha. Paki-chat sa chat box para we may continue. Naglagay ko negative dito sa PMT para maging positive siya. Or I could have I could have put negative here sa B6, yung amount to finance. You're done. Paki-chat, please. Okay, thank you, Isabel. Okay, good. All right, so let's continue. No? So the objective is for us to create an amortization table, amortization schedule, just like this. So for the borrower, this is very important kasi gusto niya malaman kung ano yung schedule of payment niya, no? Starting with the first payment. Okay, first month. Ito yung babayaran plus. Tapos kailangan natin how much will go to i-split natin class yung interest, okay? Split natin yung interest at saka yung principal. And then para malaman natin kung magkano yung principal balance. Okay. Why is this important? Because the principal balance will now be subjected to the interest of the following period. Okay. So, yung first natin, dapat ganito yung kakalabasan, ano? So, let's try to replicate that. Okay. So, first, let's set up yung, ano natin, yung months, no? Let's start with month 0. Okay. Ilalagay natin dito yung 4 million until month 180. So, what we can do is go here and then you can type 0 here. Ba? Month 0, ito pa lang yung ano, no? Ito pa lang yung nag-loan tayo where we will be getting the 4 million. So we can create now dito sa home, tapos sa editing, meron ditong here class, this one. Merong field dito, fill. Okay, fill series. Okay, mas madali ito kasi kaysa instead of having to type and then drag. So the series will be in columns, ito. Okay. And then step value is 1. Ibig sabihin nun, from 0, okay, we already specified the first value here and then step value 1, no? Ibig sabihin, it will add 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, etc. until it reaches 180. Okay, pakichat nga class kung nagamit nyo na itong fill series na to, na function. Have you used this before? Or first time nyo lang gagamitin yan? First time lang ba? First time, good. Good, Isabel. Si Chris, yan, familiar. Okay. So, again, dapat na, ay, sorry, cancel mo ko muna. Dapat, you should have the beginning value. Our beginning value will be 0. Okay? Kasi this is the time that we will loan the amount. And then, once again, from here, go to, ito class yung arrow na, yung object nakababa, yung arrow. Click this one, and then series here. And then in columns, no? Kasi in rows, pag ganito yan. Row-wise yung magiging fill niya. Columns tayo. Okay, step value 1. Ibig sabihin, it should increase by 1. And then step value 180. Okay. Then okay. There, class. And see that it is up to 180 months. Kasi 15 years. There. Okay. So let's now fill up our amortization schedule, amortization table. So sa month 0, wala pa tayong babayaran na insurance, interest, and principal. And month end natin will be, how much will be the principal balance at the end of sa month 0 class? How much? In other words, magkano yung total na utang natin? Ang total loan natin is 4 million. Diba? Wala pa tayong binabayaran. No? So at the end of month 0, okay, month end principal natin is 4 million. Okay, yung insurance, starting with month 1, it's constant, di ba? So ilalagay natin dito month insurance. Okay, gawin natin number. So it's 45,000 and then click natin to class, no? Kasi constant siya, di ba? Dun sa diagram, dun sa table ng Pag-ibig, it's a fixed insurance amount. Yan. Okay? Okay, clear so far? Okay, I'll stop once in a while, class, and then ask you if you're able to follow. You can use this, of course, for amortization ng mga kotse, basta amortization ng any real asset. Okay? Ito yon, class. The use of time value of money. Okay. Isabel, are you able to follow? Okay, good. All right. So, the question is, magkano interest, class? How much will be the interest that we need to pay? Okay, the interest will be, class, based on the month-end principal. Kung ano yung balance last month, yun ang babayaran ng interest. No? And the interest is equal to, how much is the interest? The previous month-end principal multiplied by the monthly interest rate. So, ang monthly interest rate is the annual rate, okay, divided by the periods per year. 7.75 divided by 12. That's the monthly rate. Or you could have included here a cell na monthly rate. Pwede rin yun. Tapos, yun na yung gagamitin dito. No? Anyway, constant yan. 7.75 divided by 12. Alright? Control Enter. So the interest to be paid is 25,833.33, which is how much was the principal balance the previous month multiplied by the interest rate. So tingnan natin, 25,833 ba itong ano? Hindi natin makikita dito kasi pinagsama niya, no? Okay, pinagsama niya, class. Pinagsama niya yung interest at saka yung principal. Mas maganda sana kung it would have been better kung sineparate so that you know how much is going to the interest. All right. So how much will be paid to the principal? How much will be paid to the how much will be deducted from the principal? Okay, pwede nating sige, mamaya na. So ang principal payment, class, will be the monthly amortization kasi ito yung babayaran natin, di ba? Minus yung ibabayad natin sa interest. Okay. Pero babawasin natin yung kasi yung part ng insurance, class, no? Diba? So this should be equal to how much is your did we give this a name? Lagyan na rin natin to ng pangalan, class, no? Monthly month amort. Enter. So this is our monthly amortization, no? Okay. So it's equal to our monthly amort, MON. Can just type MON, no? Tapos makikita mo yung month amort. Okay. Monthly amortization minus yung insurance natin. Okay. Pwede natin i-click to kasi constant naman yung insurance, no? O minus yung interest muna. Interest. And then minus yung pwede natin i-click tong month insurance ito or we can click this one. Kasi pareho lang naman tsaka constant yun, no? Okay. If we click this one, class, since naka-name siya, hindi magbabago yan. Laging ganyan. Okay. Control Enter. So this one will now go to your principal payment. No? Okay. If you check, class, kasi meron siya dong meron siya dong total, no? Total principal bali total payment. Let's see kung pareho, no? 37,651.03. Ayan, class, no? 3761.03. Okay, here. So yun ang total payment, principal and interest payment natin, no? And hindi kasama yung insurance dyan, class, kasi minus natin yung insurance. So this plus this will be your total payment. Okay, again, pause ako, class, and see if you're following along. Kindly chat, please.
Sir,
Yes?
can I see the formula for principal?
Principal, okay, sige.
So,
So it's the monthly amortization, which is this one. Ito, linagyan natin ng pangalan, ano? Okay. I gave this a name. I made it month amortization minus yung interest. And then
okay.
minus yung monthly insurance na 45. I could have subtracted this one, no? Okay. Kaso constant naman siya, panay 45 yung di ba, yung insurance per month. Okay, so I just use this month insurance. Okay, control enter. So I'm getting 11,817.7. Could you kindly confirm, please, if you're also getting 11,817.7? Paki-yes naman, please, kung nakuha. Okay, thank you.
Sir, pwede po bang pakita ng
Yeah,
yung interest?
which one?
Real quick lang po, sir. Sorry.
Interest, sige. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Mag-ask kayo kasi maganda kung it's not good for you to pretend na kasi pag hindi nyo makuha to, hindi nyo makukuha yung iba. No? So, how did we compute for the interest rate? babalik ka sa monthly, yung previous sa month and principal balance. And then multiply it by the monthly rate. The monthly rate is your annual rate divided by your periods per year.
So, yung principal ho, sir, is
Which one? G15? Ito?
nakuha ko na po, sir.
Ito,
Thank you.
yung previous, no? Yan ang ano, yan ang that will be be the amount that will incur interest, no?
Yes, so, sir.
Okay? Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay na?
Yes, so, sir.
Okay. So, ito na yung first month details natin, no? Ito yung interest na na-accrue natin. Okay, take note na yung total payment natin, class, no? Total payment. Yung monthly amortization natin na 37,696, 45 pesos will go to insurance, okay? And then, iba-minus yung sa interest, and then, ang matitira, class, yung dito sa principal. Now, this is very important kasi ito yung ima-minus natin sa month-end principal. Okay? Remember yung month-end principal, that is now the basis of interest expense. Diba? So, the higher this is, the higher will be your expense. And if you notice, class, yung first month, ang laki na pupunta sa interest, konti lang nababawas sa principal. But as we go along, class, kasi ang mangyayari dyan, bababa ng bababa to, no? The month-end principal will be deducted by the principal payments. So it will keep on decreasing. So what will happen? Interest expense will keep on decreasing. When the interest expense keeps on decreasing, then your principal will keep on increasing. Okay? So habang lumalaki na lumalaki yung principal, lumiliit na lumiliit yung month-end principal, lumiliit na lumiliit din yung interest until such time na mag-zero out na yan. Okay? So our month-end principal now will be the previous month-end principal minus the principal payment. Yan. Sige. Okay, please do that. Control Enter. Then you now have this one, 39,881,82.3. Let's compare, class. 39,881,82.3. See? Okay? Kuha natin, ano? We were able to get the amortization table produced by Pag-ibig. So actually, hindi nyo na kailangan to. No? Kaya nyo gawin yan on your own. Okay. All right, let's do another process. So sa month to, class, how will it be? It will be the same as the interest here. So it will be equal to, let's just redo this, whatever the month-end principal was on the previous month. No? So ito na lang ito na lang principal balance natin. So that will be the one subjected to interest. Times, okay, once again, we could have, class, ganito gawin natin, para mas madali. Ito, no? Mag-insert tayo dito. Okay, we can put here monthly interest. Monthly interest. Para hindi tayo divide ng divide, no? So the monthly interest will be equal to 7.75 divided by your number of years. Yan. So this is our, gawin natin percentage. Okay, increase the decimal place. Yeah, that's our monthly interest. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this a I'm going to give this a name, no? So I'll call this month interest. Month interest rate. Rate para kasi may month na yata din tayo dito, no? O may monthly insurance, may monthly amortization para clear siya na month interest rate. Okay? So, how do we compute for the interest for month 2? It will be equal to the month-end principal of the previous month multiplied by the monthly interest rate. Yan. Okay? Monthly interest. Hindi na tayo nag-divide ng 7.75 divided by 12. Kasi pag ganun, every time, tumatagal pa, no? So, kinumpit na natin yun. All right. Now, you see that the monthly interest rate, okay, went down. Una, 12.25.883. Ngayon, naging 25.757 na. Okay? All right. So, what will be the principal payment? Same, no? Ang principal payment will be equal to whatever we're going to pay each month, okay, minus your interest rate. Ma-minus natin yung interest rate natin, yung monthly interest natin, and then minus yung insurance. Okay? Control Enter. Okay. Notice ngayon yung principal amount, payment to principal, lumaki. No? Right? So therefore, ang total payment natin is the sum of these two. Okay? And then therefore, our month end natin is equal to whatever the previous month was, ima-minus natin kung ano yung principal payment. There. Control Enter. All right, I'll give you a few seconds, please, 1 minute to check. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. So similar lang yung formula natin dun sa month number 1. And if you're done, paki-chat ulit. If you're able to follow. If you have questions. Okay, thank you, Isabel. Okay, good. Thank you, Chris. Thank you, Isabel. Let's check 3976 at saka yung total 37,651.03. Okay, tama ba to? Total natin binayaran 37,651.03. And then yung month end natin 3976, no? Let's see. Alright, tingnan nyo class, yung total principal ng interest. Pareho lagi siya, no? Pareho lagi siya. Pero, ang nagbabago ngayon yung balance, 3976,288. Diba? 3976,288. So, 3976,288. There you go. Alright, so replicate lang naman natin yung process 1 kay process 2. Therefore, what we can do is copy this, itong cells na to, copy this and then, notice this crosshair na to, right-click nyo to. Ika-copy lang niya yung mga previous ones. No? Highlight natin lahat. Double-click this one. And it will now generate the whole amortization schedule hanggang month 180. And sa month 180, notice zero na siya. Wala nang balance. No? Wala nang balance. Which is the same as, tingnan natin na 241, okay? 37,409, yung principal payment, yun ang previous na ano. 37,409. Yun ang binayaran natin sa principal. Therefore, wala nang balance. 241.6, let's just check. Here. Okay, hindi nga pala nakaano dito, no? Pero tingnan yung class, no? Zero na yung balance. Month 180. Okay, month 180. Okay, back here to our model. All right. Did you get it, class? Yung amortization schedule natin? Okay, I'll give you a few seconds to check your work. No? Tingnan nyo kung ano.
Hello po, sir.
Yes? Mm.
Tanong ko lang po, sir. For some reason, yung monthly amort ko, no matter how I try to change it, it's
Mhm.
37,606.03
Here,
for some reason.
37,606. Sige nga,
Yes
tingnan
po,
natin.
sir.
Okay, kindly share your screen, please. I'll stop share.
I
Uh, can you share your screen?
agree. Um, ito po, sir. I cleared it out because I wanted to try.
Yeah, okay. Sige, we got it. Okay. Sige, tingnan mo natin ha. 5,000, 20%, 7.75, 15, 12. Okay, so,
Hello?
yeah. Monthly amortization natin, let me see. Tingnan natin, no?
Ito po, sir.
So, PMT, first is the rate, di
Let
ba?
me
Bis,
rename it na po muna,
hindi mo
sir.
linagyan ng name, ano? Okay,
I
sige.
cleaned it out po, sir. I deleted
Okay,
it
sige.
here po kasi I was
Okay,
wondering why was my number different po.
okay, sige, no problem. Lagyan mo
Um,
pangalan yung number of years. N years siguro pwede.
um,
N years, yung 15 N years, no? Maybe you'd like to give it a name para mas makikita natin. Kasi instructive yung ano, may pangalan siya. Makikita mo lagi kung ano eh.
Right,
Ah,
po.
go muna to ano, go muna. Cancel muna yan. Escape ka muna. Escape mo siya. Okay, then go to B8. Escape mo muna, Chris. Escape mo muna yung formula.
Sorry, sir. It's cool.
Okay? So, sige, tingnan natin ha. So, your amortization, check natin. B10, kaya check B10.
B10 ho, sir.
Yeah, oo. B10.
Ito ho,
Yung,
sir.
yeah. So, it's rate over periods per year. So, tama, no?
Yes.
And then, the NPER is number of years times periods per year. Tama. Tapos yung PV is B6. Tama. And then, ordinary annuity. Okay. Okay. You have to put negative sa PMT, no? Kasi, ang lalabas siya na PMT negative.
Ah,
Para maging positive siya.
ay, okay po, sir.
Yan, okay,
Yun nga
yun.
pala.
Kaya anong
Thank
nangyari
you po,
doon,
sir.
nangyari doon, negative yung PMT mo, tapos nag-plus ka ng fourth ng ano ng insurance. So, ano nabawasan na, no? Okay. So, sige,
Thank you po, sir.
tingnan natin, kasi wala pa laman yung, we'll follow you through. Ano yung interest natin dyan ngayon? Is equal
Um,
to,
interest
yung,
is equal to
yung
yung
principal, yan, yung end, yung before, yung 4 million, yan, times Hindi ka
Yung,
naglagay ng ano, no, ng monthly rate. Sige. Annual rate divided by your periods per year. Yan. Enter. Yan. Okay? So that's your interest, no? Ang principal balance, ang principal payment mo will be yung monthly amortization mo. Yan. Okay? And then sub, subtract mo si interest, subtract mo rin si insurance. Yan. Okay. Okay? Total payment mo is add up si interest at saka si principal. Sum. Okay? And the month-end principal will be yung 4 million, hindi, 4 million is equal to yung 4 million, yung previous, minus,
minus
minus
pala.
yung, minus yung principal payment. Kasi dapat mabawasan yung ano mo, not the total payment, ha?
Okay po,
Minus
sir.
the principal payment. Yun ang iba, yung principal payment, yun ang ibabawas mo sa principal.
Understood po, sir. Thank you so
Okay?
much, sir.
Sige. All right. Good. Okay. Then, uh, with that, no, Chris, pwede mo i-highlight yan, tapos ano siya, go to the lower left, highlight mo siya ng lower left, tapos i-click mo siya, double click mo, para makopy. Pero maganda, i-format mo muna yung isa. Yung interest mo, hindi ano, maganda kung, you know how to copy a format, punta ka sa principal. Okay. Tapos, go there sa clipboard, nakikita mo. Hindi, mas maganda yung nasa upper right, clipboard. Upper left pala, upper left.
Left.
Sige pa. Yan, clipboard, clipboard. Nakita mo yung parang paintbrush? Hindi,
Yes,
nasa
po, sir.
labas na yun. Nasa labas na. Okay,
Okay na
okay.
po.
Sige. O yung nasa labas na paintbrush, pwede mo i-click yun. Sige, highlight mo yung interest, principal, total payment, at saka, okay, then, sa bottom left, yan, double click mo siya. Dapat makita mo yung bottom left, no? Yung, yung parang, ano, yung parang crosshair.
Yung crosshair po, sir.
Hindi, sige. Alright, escape mo yan, escape mo. Alright, highlight mo ulit yung, yan. Tapos go to the, yan,
Ay,
crosshair yun.
okay. I-drag down ko lang po,
Pero
sir.
wag mo i-drag down, don't drag down. Click mo lang siya. Ulitin mo. Ulitin mo. Control Z ka, Control Z.
Yes, po, sir.
Yan. Tapos yung crosshair, yung parang cross na black.
Yes, po, sir.
Yan. Double click mo lang yan.
Ay, okay.
Di ba? Ay,
The more you
may,
learn.
may mali. May mali ka dito sa ano. Check natin yung formula mo. Sige, ulitin natin. Tingnan natin yung formula mo, no? So, interest, ano yung interest mo? H14 times rate over
Right.
year. Tama yan. Yung principal mo is, okay,
More.
amortization. Yan ang ano, no? Kasi hindi mo binigyan ng pangalan yung amortization eh. So pag
Okay.
kinopy down mo yan, magbabago yan, no? So I suggest
Oh,
you give a name to a monthly amortization. Monthly amort, no? Kunyari ganyan. Okay, sige. So baguhin mo yung formula mo. Ayan. Okay.
there.
There. Alam mo? So it makes a difference, di ba? Kung
Yes, po,
binibigyan mo
sir.
ng pangalan, pag kinopy mo yan, hindi na magbabago yan. Alright? Lakihan mo nga yung column H mo. I-drag mo lang yan. Oops, may mali pa rin. Let's see, ano yung may mali? May mali eh. Tingnan ko nga yung ano mo, yung H. So it's H14, okay? H14 is the previous one minus principal, hindi yung minus total payment. Minus F15. Tama ba? Minus F15. May see? Tingnan ko nga yung H, ano mo, F, F15 dapat. Ang ibabawas mo yung principal. Hindi G15, F15.
F15.
F15, yung principal payment. Yan ang ibabawas mo. Hindi yung total payment. Yan, sige, ulitin mo yung pag-drag. Hindi yan. From the top again. Ulitin mo ulit yung, yan. Mali-mali pa rin ha. Sige, up. Oh, may
Sorry po,
natitira
sir.
pa ito. Sige, sige, okay lang, no? Again, H14 minus F15. Tama yan, no? Yung principal payment. Okay. Okay. Tinan mo nga yung ano, yung H15. Tinan mo nga. Yung next.
Yung next, sir.
Next row. Yan, tinan natin. H15, H16. Tama. Minus F16. Tama naman. Tsaka dapat yung total payment mo hindi nagbabago eh. Okay, tingnan nga natin ulit yung interest mo. Okay, tama. Divided by yung next. H15, sa H15 mo. Yun, tama. H16, tama. So yung interest is tama. Yung principal, tingnan natin. Go to,
Sir, maybe it's the insurance po.
what about,
Oh, yeah,
oo
the
nga pala,
insurance.
oo. So, oo, nagbago yung insurance, ano. So,
Oh,
ayan.
here.
Yan, sige. Go down.
Yay.
Ayan, okay, good.
Thanks.
Alright, sige, okay lang ha. So, dadalawa lang, tatatlo lang tayo. So, you have to be, you have to be open and ask questions, no? Okay, I'll share again.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, good, good. Thank you, Chris, ha? Thank you, Chris, for asking. And thank you, Isabel, for pointing that out, no? Yung, hindi ko nakita yung insurance. Nakafocus ako dun sa right side, no? Okay, good. All right. So, let me share again. Okay. Now, next meeting, okay, hindi pa tayo tapos ha, pero yung next meeting, babaguhin natin ng konti to. We will expand this a bit. Kasi, what if, kasi yung some borrowers, kunyari nagkaroon sila ng pera, kunyari, nasa month, ano na sila, nasa month. Ay, by the way, yung unang quiz nyo, okay, anong gagawin nyo? Okay, yearly, year, okay, year 1, 2, di ba hanggang 15, no? Year 15, okay? You'll have to plot magkano yung interest, magkano yung principal payment, and then magkano yung balance, month-end balance. So you'll have to create this, preferably a formula class, no? From here, dapat mag-create ka ng formula dito na how much was the total interest for year 1. Siyempre, alam nyo yung year 1 will be month 1 up to 12, di ba? Year 2 will be from 13 up to 24. You know that. So, can you, kasi pag manually i-add nyo to, parang hindi fin mode yan. So, i-research nyo kung paano gagawin na, okay, make it a formula so that i-ano mo lang siya, i-copy down, pati yung principal, paano yung principal, i-add mo lang yung principal payments. Kasi pag alam mo na kung paano gawin kay interest, alam mo rin gawin kay principal. Tapos si balance, what will be the balance? How do you get the balance? The balance will be the end of, okay, month 12. Ito, 385,304. Dapat, ang lalabas na balance dito, yung balance at month 12. Okay? And then, you'll have to plot this. Magkakreate kayo ng plot. So, ang mangyayari sa plot nyo, kung bar chart yan, si interest, malaki sa year 1. Si principal, mas mababa. But over the years, no, ang mangyayari niyan, just to give you an idea, either ganito yung plot nyo, no? Interest. principal. So this is year 1. Tapos, year 2, kunyari ganito, interest will be going down, si principal will be going up. Okay? Until such time na mas malaki na talaga si principal payments. Tapos si interest mas mababa, no? And then yung balance pwedeng flat na ganyan. Okay? So that will be your case number 1, no? I'll give you enough time for that. So, ito yon, no? Okay. I'll give you instructions sa ano natin. Kasi kailangan may basis ako ng grade. Anyway, take home naman yan and then I'll give you enough time. Alright. Tapos, ang i-discuss natin, hindi pa tayo magdi-dismiss, may sisimula natin yung NPV kasi hanggang 250 naman tayo. Ang i-discuss natin, next meeting, okay, what if, kunyari nagkapera ako sa month 24, kunyari, pwede kong gawin, I'm going to pay in advance, no? Kunyari, nagkaroon ako ng, let's say I was able to raise 200,000. So instead of paying 37,000 only, I will pay 200,000. Okay, the technique is do not pay that sa mga branches ng, o kaya sa mga ano lang, yung mga ano dyan, mga bayad center. Do not do that. Go to Pag-ibig sa main office. Tapos sabi mo, I'm going to pay 200,000. What will happen? Yung 200,000 yun, kasi pag sa mga payment center ka lang nagbayad, okay, yung 200,000 na yan, it will be treated as a regular payment, no? Tapos mag-i-incur ng interest yun. Pero pag pumunta ka sa Pag-ibig mismo, it will be considered as a reduction in the capital, in the principal. So dito ilalagay yon. So anong advantage? Mas malaki yung ibabaw sa principal, kunyari 200,000 plus this, no? So ang mangyayari, mas mabilis lumiit yung month-end principal mo. Kasi binawas doon yung total na advance payment na ginawa mo. Do you understand? Does it make sense? Clear ba o malabo? Honestly, clear o malabo? You want me to further explain? Hello? Clear? Thank you, Isabel. Okay, good. So, pag ganun kasi later on, baka maging experience niyan, no? Nag-loan kayo ng housing, house and lot. Tapos, you're starting a family. Tapos, you and your husband decided to raise your own family there sa bahay, no? Tapos, nag-loan kayo and then you're making payments. Tapos on a particular month, nagkaroon kayo ng say bonus, tapos gusto nyong ibayad dun sa sa loan nyo. And that makes sense kasi it will be a reduction in principal, no? So ibabawas yun dito sa month-end principal. So pag malaking binawas yan, di ba liliit yung dito? Liliit kayo yung interest. Okay, so that's the point there. Okay? Do not pay it dun sa mga bayad center lang kasi that will not be treated as a reduction in the month-end principal. Okay. So we're going to have an example like that kung merong reduction in principal by advance payment. Ano mangyayari? No? What will happen? Kasi if that's the case, class, then mas ma-accelerate to, di ba? Instead of 15 years, siguro mababawasan ng ilang buwan yan. Mas liliit yung interest. By the way, if I get the total, alt equal to, here, yan, sinum up ko yung interest payments, no? Magkano yung total interest na binayaran mo sa isang 15-year loan? Okay? Sa isang 15-year loan, ang total na interest mo, grabe, no? Yung insurance, 8,000, ito malaki yung interest. Magkano yung principal payment mo? Okay, of course, the principal payment will be yung 4,000. Okay? Alright, so ito yung kita nyo class na 2.77 million. So actually, ang total payment mo is, okay, di ba? Kasi yung principal payment plus yung interest, ang total mo na binayad, 677, 185. The longer the term, of course, the bigger will be the interest. Kita nyo, di ba, yung interest rate is dependent on the, term. Pag mas mahaba, mas malaki yung interest rate. Okay, so we were able to generate this class here. Ito, ang i-replicate natin ito, no? Kaso ito monthly. Gusto natin, okay, madali niyo lang i-ano class. Madali niyo i-ano to, i- i-plot, no? This is just the, ano to, month-end balance lang, no? Month-end balance at saka yung period. So if I am going to do that here, okay? So ito lang yun, no? Yan. Control. Oops. Control. Hmm, ano na may mouse ko? Wait, wait. I-plot lang class yung ano, yung plot dun sa pag-ibig, no? In-highlight lang niya to. Control Shift down arrow. And then control here. Ito. Control Shift down arrow ulit. There. So na-highlight ko na yung month at saka yung principal balance. And then insert. Insert. And then and use charts. O recommended chart, pwede. Okay, yan class. Here. Okay. Ano lang. Here class, di ba? Ito yun. Ito yung plot, then you can just improve on this. Ito yung plot na nakita natin dito sa pag-ibig calculator. No? There. So it's just a plot of the month on the x-axis and the month-end balance, principal month-end balance. Okay, pero yung case 1 yung class, yung assignment nyo will not be like this, no? Ang ipa-plot yung class, yung sinabi ko kanina, no? Okay, yearly, no? Yearly. So magkano yung interest, yearly interest, principal, at saka balance, and then you plot ito, pwedeng bar plots, tapos ito, balance, pwedeng ano class, pwedeng yung ganito, yung line na siya ito. So combination siya. Okay, may nag-chat ba? May question? Okay, good. Clear. Okay. Was it control shift? Control shift down arrow. Okay. So let me illustrate that again. So highlight nyo si month. Okay. Liitan ko nga siya. Ang laki ng ko itong dalawang to. Okay. So what did I highlight? Just this one. Sinama ko yung month. Control shift down arrow. No? And then nakakontrol ka pa. Oops. Sensitive tong ano ko yung wait lang ah. here. Control Shift down arrow. And then Control backspace to go back, no? And then Control Shift. Ito ulit. Oops, nawala. Control Shift down arrow. And then go here. Control ulit. Mali. Alright, last one. Control Shift down arrow. Then go here. Control. Click Control lang. Tapos Control Shift down arrow. Yun. Para dalawang rows. Dapat pareho silang 180. Dapat pareho silang parehong may title month at saka principal. No? And then insert plot yung kanina. Okay? Alright, so I thought masisimulan natin to. So next, ang next meeting natin Thursday ha, mag-meet ulit tayo ng Thursday. Same time, 12:45. So ngayon ganun na tayo ha, kasi we need to catch up, no? I'm sorry, we need to catch up and have these sessions already kasi naghahabol na tayo sa oras. Para lang din may proof ako na we were meeting and then mapapakita natin yung mga lessons na natin. All right, I'll stop recording.